Hello YouTube, my name is Jeremiah and welcome to my channel. In my channel I'm going to be talking about my Mazda B2000 truck and all the stuff that I'm planning to do to it, and some that I've already done to it. So welcome to my channel. I don't know, this is like my first time ever recording myself and being on the internet and just knowing how to talk to a camera and stuff. So bear with me. I hope that it's informative and helpful, because it's kind of a lot of stuff you can do with these trucks, and I'd like to just document it. Alright, and then here's just an overview of my truck, how it is. So I put the 3-spoke steering wheel out of an RX-7. I think it was an 85 and back. And then I have a short throw shifter that was for a Miata. And I'll talk about that more in depth later, though, how stuff is interchangeable and stuff. And then for my engine, I had a shop do it. I wish I could say that I did it, but oh well, I had a shop put a 2.2 liter F2 engine, and then I have a Weber 3236 carburetor, and then an MSD 6 BTM, which is gonna be for boost later. And then that's pretty much it as far as performance stuff goes. And then I did the H4 conversion on the headlights, and I put a chrome bumper, which is going to be the first video that I do. And then I did 130 amp alternator from, I think it's the same thing. It's a 84 or 85 and back RX-7. It has the same plug as the stock alternator. And then I did the fat wire upgrade, marine terminals and stuff. And I chose these fuses because they're more readily available. And this is just what the truck looks like right now. It's kind of a piece, but it'll be all right. It's just a long bed, and then I got some body damage that I'll probably deal with later. And that's about it. Oh yeah, and then I put the header on there too. I plan on turbo in the truck and making it where I can drift it and stuff. And I plan on learning how to drift in this truck. I have an RX-7 limited slip and a RX-7 transmission, the guts from it. I plan on showing you guys how to do all that stuff and how to it's essentially all the most common mods that people do with these trucks. It would be if you're building a T-bucket and you use a flathead VA, or just it's just a standard, that people do to these trucks. So I hope to be like informative, and I hope I'm not like just talking about nothing. And I know that sometimes I like stutter, and I hope that's not a big deal. Like, if it's a huge deal, you could just tell me, like, in the comments or whatever, and I'll like edit it out or whatever. But I don't know, like, I might as well just be myself, you know. I can't really be anybody else. And I plan on like having like a dyno testing done when it's all said and done, and I have like the carburetor tuned. And I plan on doing like a quarter mile time or like an eighth mile time, because it's probably not gonna be that fast, but you know. And then you know, like drift videos and stuff will be cool. But anyways, welcome to my channel, and I really hope that you really just get like a kick out of it. You know, I don't know, like I really like these trucks because they're like really simple to work on, and they're just like real, almost bare bones, almost like you would say like elementary automobiling. You know, like a carburetor and stuff. But I don't know. Thank you.